Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Ethereum right here on VT markets. And if you want to do this, we go right here to the chart and then we click on the cross and then you can search here for a symbol. So what we're going to do, we search right here for ETH and then you will find right here Bitcoin to Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and you have a lot of options, but I'm interested in the Ethereum to US dollar. So that is right there. Then we click on this and then you will find right here the chart of Ethereum. And then what we're going to do is select here on new order. Then we fill in right here how much Ethereum you want to buy. So let's do 1 Ethereum. Create yourselves a stop loss right here if you want to do that, or maybe a take profit to do a little bit on risk management. Then you can click here on buy by market and now we created ourselves a position of Ethereum. So this is exactly how you can buy Ethereum on VT markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.